Thank you for tuning in to Investment Insight presented by McCay Wealth Advisory. My name is Hayden Proffitt. Joining us today we have Brent McCay. Brent, some changes to the standard deduction. Can you hit on that?
Sure. So one of the changes that's occurred for the 2025 tax year is the standard deduction for everyone has gone from $15,000 this year to $15,750.
Okay.
So that's an additional increase for the 2025 tax year. That's a change that's been made mid-year. For people that are over 65 years old and have a modified adjusted gross income between $150,000 for a joint couple and $75,000 for an individual, if they're over 65, they get an additional $6,000 each in deductions until their income reaches $175,000 for an individual and $250,000 for a joint couple. In 2026, not for 2025, there is now a new deduction for charity that you get to make a charitable deduction and the standard of $1,000 each. So you might want to start getting back in the practice of keeping some of those charity checks in 2026. There's also an increase in the state and local tax deduction, the SALT deduction, from $10,000 to $40,000 if your income for an individual is below $250,000 is when it starts phasing out, and $500,000 if you're a married couple phasing out. So there's some additional deductions for 2025 and 2026 that should lower a lot of people's taxable income.
Sure. And like we say, always remember to make note if you think some of these deductions may apply to you,
Right.
and remind your accountant about it.
Remind your accountant applies.
It's only as good as it gets claimed.
And we're not tax accountants, so this is our best efforts right now as we review some of these tax changes. So make sure you review with your tax accountant if this is applicable to you. But like you said, have that reminder to remind them, because there's a lot of stuff that's going to come at them the 2025 tax year that's going to be new and different. And just like every one of us, they're just learning about it now as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thanks for talking to us about this today, and thank you for tuning in as well. Hope you have a great day.